kujaribu kwa njia yoyote ile kusima.
Now, members of the Turkana County Assembly are calling on the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to investigate alleged mismanagement of funds meant for relief food. The MCAs accused the county government of failing to deliver essential services to vulnerable residents and claimed they face threats and intimidation whenever they try to exercise oversight. They also raised concerns about shortages of medicine in hospitals across the county. Former Turkana County Assembly Speaker Christopher Nakulei, who resigned yesterday, questioned why the county failed to purchase beans and cooking oil, despite the Assembly approving a bill of 550 million for relief food.
Distributing relief food in Turkana North. It is very evident that during the distribution of relief food in Turkana North, none of the way bills was signed on that specific date. And that one tells you how scandalous the issue of relief food was in Turkana County. Finally, we will not succumb to any form of intimidation, any form of blackmail, any form of threat from the governor of this county.
The injustice of not providing medical care to the Turkana people, and the injustice of not using the Turkana resources, the money released from the exchequer, not utilizing that money properly so as to be able to help the Turkana people. And this particular rogue government does not want to be oversighted. And that's why they are removing this, the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Christopher Nakulei, because they don't want anybody to mention anything about the disservice they are doing to the Turkana people.
The relief food scandal, where the governor up to date has not given response to the whereabouts of the beans, the popularly known as Nyali, Emaragwe, Emaindi Agwanagao. The governor must work round the clock to respond to that. And now that I'm in the position I've decided to be, he must deliver for the people of Turkana. He must tell the people of Turkana where the relief money went.
Now, we've been following up the feud between